Python is one of the top skills among programmers these days. On this Python interview question blog, I am going to show you some of the top Python interview questions for 2025. Q1. How is a list different from a tuple in Python? A list is a collection of things you can modify by inserting, deleting, or modifying them after you have created it. It is placed in square brackets like this: 1, 2, 3. A tuple is a group of items put together, but once you make it, you can't change it. It is placed in parentheses like this: 1, 2. Q2. What are the main characteristics of Python? Python is a special kind of programming language referred to as an interpreted language. That is, you can execute your program without having it translated into another form, as opposed to some other programming languages. Q3. Is Python a programming language or a scripting language? Python is scriptable but is primarily a general-purpose programming language. That is, you can do lots of types of coding with it, rather than only little scripts. Q4. What is meant by Python is an interpreted language. An interpreted language executes code one line at a time, without first translating it to machine code. Python does this, so it is an interpreted language. Q5. What is PEP8? PEP8 is a guide that shows you how to write Python code in a readable and comprehensible way. Q6. Some of the advantages of using Python. Python is simple to use, read, and learn. It runs the code one line at a time and stops if it finds a mistake. You don't need to inform Python how much data a variable holds. Python determines that automatically while running. Python is open and free for everyone to use. Q7. What are Python namespaces? A namespace is like a box that keeps the names of things like variables and functions. Python keeps these names and their places in memory. There are 4 kinds of namespaces: built-in, names provided by Python automatically; global, names declared in the top-level program; enclosing, names inside outer functions; local, names used in small functions. Q8. What are Python decorators? Decorators enable you to put additional functionality into a function without altering the function's code. You put the decorator in front of the function with the @ symbol. Q9. What are the standard basic data types in Python? Numbers, they are integers, for example, 1, decimal numbers, for example, 7.9, or complex numbers, for example, 3 plus 4i. A list is a group of items arranged in a certain order. The items may be of different types. For instance, 5, market, 2.4. Tuple. A tuple is like a list. It is a group of items in a particular order, but you cannot modify it once you have created it. For instance, 3, tool, 1. Q10. How are Py files different from Py files? Py files are the Python code files that programmers write. Py files are special files made by Python when it runs the code. These files help the program run faster the next time. Conclusion: this post talks about important Python questions to help you prepare for interviews confidently. Solving these basic and advanced questions will improve your coding abilities. Practice regularly, and you will be ready to do well in your Python interview.